everyone, welcome back to another cookie tips video. I use two consistencies, an outline and a flood, and a lot of people ask how I manage to hide my outline, so I thought I'd show you in this video. So the first thing I do is outline my cookie in a stiff icing. I let that dry for a few minutes and then I go back and flood. The most important thing is when you start flooding right next to your outline, you want to line up the tip of your piping bag right next to your outline. You want to put enough pressure on your bag that your icing is spreading out from your tip, and you use that to cover your outline. So what I'm essentially doing is taking my flood and flooding almost on top of my outline. Enough to cover it, but not so much that it's not going to go over the edge of my cookie. It takes a little practice to master, but once you've mastered it, you can say bye-bye to your outlines and no one will ever know unless they really inspect your cookies closely. I hope this helps anybody that's trying to use two consistencies but wants to hide their outline. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, happy baking!